Okay, you've got all the tools you need to start your content-based SEO program. Here are a few things to keep in mind as you go forward. Number one, consistency, consistency, consistency. This is not going to happen overnight. You're not going to see these dramatic changes. It's going to take a while for Google to figure out what you're doing. And so you just need to keep working at it. But you also need to track your progress so you can see the impact of the changes that you're making. And how do you do that? Well, you go to Google. And so log into your Google Analytics. If you don't have access to this information, you need to have a conversation with your webmaster. There's a ton of information in here, and you can obsess about all of it. But what I really want you to do when you get to your dashboard is drop down here to this graphic that says, how do you acquire users? And click on the acquisition report. It will take you to a page that will show you how traffic is being driven to your website. You want to come up here and make sure that you select the date for an entire month. And now you've got organic traffic and direct traffic. There's also referrals, social, and other. But for the purposes of this course, I want you to focus on these two numbers. So for this company, organic is 7630 and 1123. You're going to actually copy that information, those two numbers, into your SEO progress tracking sheet. This was for June, and so it's 7630 and 1123. And the spreadsheet will give you a percentage. It will calculate the ratio. What you're looking for is a healthy company is going to be in the 200 to 300% range, where search traffic is 2 to 3 times as much as direct traffic, because this is an indication of people that don't know you, and this is an indication of people who do. Now, this 679% is really extraordinary. This company has done a great job of building their organic traffic base. Over time, it would be awesome to get to that place, but if you're not there right now, don't worry. You can go back if you want by changing the date. You can go back and build out your history, or just start where you are right now. The second thing I want you to focus on from your Google Analytics, and again, you can do it right from that main dashboard, is look at the top pages. So scroll down a little further, go to the pages report. And now what you're going to see, these are the top 10 pages overall. I would prefer that you drop down here into the sidebar and look at your top landing pages. These are the pages that are bringing organic traffic to your website. And so now you can actually look at each one of these pages to see, well, what's on that page? What's it about? Copy the link, and again, go back to your spreadsheet. It's actually going to be on the top pages tab. Paste the link and put down how much traffic that page actually got for that month. Now, when you've got all 10 of these, then I want you to look at them and ask yourself, does this page answer one of your top questions? If it does, then that might be a page you want to re-optimize or beef up. And if it doesn't, it falls down to the bottom of your list a little bit. Over time, what you're going to see is the pages that you are putting effort into are going to rise to the top. For this particular company, again, this was a page they put a lot of effort into. You can see they added a lot of pictures. They added some links. They added a specific call to action. They added new graphics, more links. That's a pretty long and detailed page. That's why today it drives more traffic to this website than anything else. Okay. Your assignment then is over time as you fill out this worksheet, you're going to see, are you making progress? Again, you're not going to see that progress in month number 1 or month number 2, but I promise you it will come. And so will the visitors and the customers.